AI has come such a long way since the 70s. We have machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, all these incredible tools, right? And they could potentially fix some of the problems that those Soviet cybernetic systems would have faced, you know? Like, the systems in the encyclopedia were advanced for their time, but they couldn't really adapt or learn the way AI can today, right? I mean, there were articles laying out the theory behind designing and building these automated control systems for industry. They were using math models, feedback loops, things like that. And actually, those concepts are still at the heart of a lot of modern control theory that we use in AI. But AI, it allows systems to learn from huge amounts of data, right? To adapt on the fly to like changing situations. They can make these nuanced decisions without needing someone to program every single possibility. So the systems the Soviets envisioned, well, AI could make them way more intelligent, autonomous, and most importantly, resilient. And something else that's cool, they talk about Yukanoso, that's cybernetic models, which were basically their way of representing these complex systems using math. Now, with AI, we can handle massive data sets, spot these intricate patterns, and create much more sophisticated, accurate models, like really dynamic models of both biological and technological systems. And that means better predictions, better fault diagnosis. So it's like fulfilling the Soviet dream of system reliability, which they called OERSO, and those advanced diagnostics. Oh, coaxious, but with AI, we can reach a level of sophistication they couldn't even dream of back then. AI could make that integration so much smoother and more intelligent. Think of like prosthetic limbs powered by AI that learn and adapt to a person's needs in real time, or control systems that work intuitively with human operators, preventing errors and optimizing performance.
It's pretty wild, right? Like, innovation often builds on these forgotten ideas from the past, and it leads to these amazing breakthroughs.
Yeah, totally agree. And that brings us to our final thought, for you, the listener, our learner, as AI keeps evolving at like warp speed, how can we use these foundational principles of cybernetics, with its focus on control, communication, and especially resilience, how can we use that to guide AI's development in a way that's good for humanity? And, thinking about how broad the Soviet vision for cybernetics was, what other applications might we be overlooking? Like, what could become relevant again now that we have AI, especially when it comes to building these super dependable and self-sustaining systems?
Yeah, definitely something to think about.